Whirlpool is the most repaired brand in America, not because they're unreliable, but because they sell the most units. Here's the real breakdown of Whirlpool problems by appliance. Whirlpool refrigerators, most common issue is the ice maker, specifically the ice maker module or ejector arm. Water inlet valve failures are second. Overall, Whirlpool fridges are among the most reliable on the market. Parts are cheap and always available. Whirlpool washers, top loaders, lid switch failures, drive coupler breaks, and shift actuator issues on BMW models. Front loaders, drain pump clogs and door gasket mold. These are standard wear items, not design flaws. Whirlpool dryers, thermal fuse and heating element. The same 2 repairs on every dryer brand. Whirlpool dryer parts are the cheapest in the industry, making repairs always cost-effective. Whirlpool dishwashers, most common issue is a failing drain pump or check valve causing standing water. Also control panel issues on some electronic models. Overall reliable. Whirlpool ranges, gas igniters and electric elements. Standard stuff. Whirlpool oven controls are generally robust. The Whirlpool advantage, they own Maytag, KitchenAid, and Amana. All 4 brands share platforms and parts. That means parts availability is the best in the industry and repair costs are the lowest. My honest opinion, Whirlpool is one of the safest brands to buy because repairs are always affordable. Whirlpool repair on all appliances. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.